Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use paper trade in TradingView. So before we start, if you want to learn more, you can check the description down below. So let's start. First, you need to open TradingView graph, and I will use Roku as an example to generate the graph. After that, you'll come into the graph panel, and you can see at the down below it has stock screener, bind editor, strategy tester, and also trading panel. Just press the trading panel and scroll down below to this TradingView paper trading brokerage simulator by TradingView, and after that connect up. When after you have just pressed the paper trading, you can come to this position, paper trading position, and here you can just place an order. This order is generate as paper trading. You can just generate your price, your cut loss, take profit point, and you can just buy. And after you buy, it will show at down below here so that you can monitor your trading performance in paper trading. If you want to reset your account balance when you have profit or even losses, you can just press here and you can just trade setting, and you can just off the trade and you can start again. So basically that's all for today. Thank you.